In order to switch solutions between two completely different products you're developing with a very small team, you have to consider how to do that in a very different manner. Let's take, for example, HAXcms and ELMS Learning Network, a platform that we've been developing at the exact same time. What you see here is actually riding on top of a Drupal-based system. This is called HAX, or called ELMS Learning Network. However, it's running HAXcms on top of it. And so for our users of ELMS LN, as far as online courses, they are reading and writing to databases. However, that shouldn't affect their experience. So HAX is extremely fast, even when running on top of Drupal behind the scenes. What we ended up doing was initially developing buttons and other pieces of configuration and customization for writing on top of ELMS, because we knew with the web component standard and the HAX editor, one brick at a time, we could collapse and migrate away from Drupal and beyond. So if I right click and we look, we have images, we have page breaks, the clean one, theme level, our editor, and the like, things that we would see in a normal HAXcms site. So brick by brick, we were able to build on top of an existing solution to build the interface and teach, in this case, Drupal 7, how to serve content up extremely quickly to HAXcms. But now it's time to migrate. Let's copy where we are and go to HAXcms. Start a new journey, and I'm going to import from somewhere because I've started working somewhere else, in this case for several years. Right front and center, we have ELMS LN. And it says point to the ELMS LN site in question. It's going to process for a bit because it does have to actually go and request all of these pages. But what's going to happen, and as you see, the next button there is HAXcms, is you can migrate any HAXcms site into another HAXcms site. The reason for that is because if it's rendered on the front end, it's serving up static HTML pages and our simplistic site.json schema. So because these IDs were generated as output in a Drupal site, it no longer is Drupal on the front end. And we can ingest it and keep moving somewhere else. So you can see all the media has come along. I could go and now edit this locally, even though it started somewhere else entirely. Hit save, and all we're doing is updating static HTML. I could take that site, I could export it, I could migrate it somewhere else. And so one brick at a time, we're able to fundamentally change the way we develop for the web and scale out what is possible for our team as a result.